Hey guys, quick public service announcement. For those of you looking for adventure before the year is out, have we got something for you? Streets of Tokyo 2026. Hey everybody, I'm Hugh Brownstone for Three Blind Men and an Elephant, and today I want to offer you a quick take on my friend Chris Niccolls' collaboration with Wotancraft to deliver what just may be the Goldilocks Solution camera bag, their Chris Niccolls Special Edition Pilot 88, as in 8.8 liters of capacity. Not too small, bags below this capacity are typically between 3 and 7 liters. Not too big, bags above this capacity are typically 10 liters and more, but just right, I learned, for street and travel, especially on long-haul flights. That's because not only is it sized right, lightweight, unobtrusive and semi-crushable when carrying less than full load, put together really well, has a terrific quick adjust strap with a pad that stays with your shoulder as you swing the bag from behind you while walking narrow alleyways to the side to quickly grab a piece of kit, can swallow up our Sony A7R5 with 50mm 1.4 G Master attached, and our A7CR with 70 to 200mm f4 GOSS Mark II attached, and our 16 to 25 2.8 carried inside the main bag with plenty of room left over. Hold that thought. But because 2 of the 3 clip-on accessory pouches that I thought would induce my futzing gag reflex have turned out to be the perfect solution for specialized quick access on long-haul flights to Japan in particular. In the smallest one, I pack my usual pair of earbuds, Apple AirPods 2 and Bose QC Ultras, along with a pair of USB-C cables and 2-port Apple charger, because on a pair of outbound and return 14-hour flights, noise-canceling earbuds are a necessity. Yet each set needs to be recharged after about 6 hours. And B, in the modestly larger middle one, I pack our usual over-the-counter just-in-case meds like Tylenol, Tums, Afrin. You get the idea. And prescription meds because, well, getting older sucks. What's really nice about this Goldilocks bag? Beyond the camera gear and the quick access I just mentioned, beyond the integrated roller strap, making this special edition Pilot 88 a doddle to speed through airports without the fatigue of carrying it on me, it's beautifully set up to also pack C, a windproof, pit zip equipped, critical, rain shell in an exterior pass-through pocket, D, an inflatable backrest, critical even in premium economy, E, a really comfortable sleep mask, forget about what they give you in their little courtesy kits, F, a couple of protein bars and keys, or a water bottle in an integrated expandable side pocket, H, a second pair of prescription glasses because, yeah, getting older really does suck. And I almost forgot, Velcro on those accessory pouches so it's really easy for me to immediately identify my bag, distinguish it from everyone else's. The bag fits better under the seat in front of me than my previous flight go-to, a wandered backpack, which in turn meant more room for my size 12 feet, definitely a plus on our most recent flights back and forth between New York and Tokyo. It also comes with an accessory lens pouch, the biggest of the three, big enough to fit smaller primes or zooms, and the entire bag is big enough to fit an 11-inch iPad. And in fact, I have one, but I actually prefer a second body with lens attached, so I don't need that lens pouch. There's room for, and I prefer carrying a third lens right inside the main bag, and my iPhone 17 Pro with aforementioned AirPods or Bose QC Ultras is dramatically smaller and lighter to carry on board and more than good enough. For editing, Claudia and I still prefer our MacBook Airs, M1 for her, M3 for me, which we pack inside the dedicated quick access compartment for them in our Monos brand rollers. Of course, once we're out on the street, most of that stuff comes out, leaving plenty of room to spare, including a light fleece. I'll still keep a couple of protein bars and a camera battery or two just in case, sometimes that small charger and cable for my iPhone so that I can top it off during a lunch break or afternoon pick-me-up before going back out onto the street. What else? I've already mentioned the sliding shoulder strap, but I haven't mentioned that a Peak Design capture clip fits easily on it, better than on either of our Peak Design backpack straps, which is where I like to carry my Q3 with helium-3 grip. The magnetic latch works well for quick access while frustrating would-be thieves. And the entire bag is designed to keep everything dry inside, save for torrential downpours. At $288 and 900 grams, the Wotancraft Chris Niccolls edition is a far more manageable carry and an absolute bargain compared to my wonderful Billingham 225. The current Mark II version of that bag is just about double the weight and double the price at 1.72 kilos and $539 respectively. While the Billingham does offer additional padding, more robust materials, better weather sealing, and more thoroughly considered organizing options, the last half century or so has convinced me it's actually more than I need, especially since we now live in the age of mirrorless rather than the SLRs and DSLRs for which the Billingham was, I believe, originally designed. It certainly feels that way. In fact, Chris's collaboration with Wotancraft has created what is now one of my favorite bags, and I suspect many will agree. Officially launched just 10 days ago. The entire run is already sold out. But maybe they'll do another run. Highly recommended if they do. But then again, their Pilot 7 or 10-liter bags have the same DNA, just as well made, same design chops, and both are still available. Just saying. If you like what you've seen here today, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, join the conversation in the comment section below because this is an exceptional audience. If you'd like help with a portfolio review, gear selection, finding or honing your artistic voice, sign up for a one-on-one mentoring video call via Zoom at 3bmep.com/booking. Finally, please consider supporting our work by using the no-cost You affiliate links down below, sending us coffee money via PayPal, or most especially, joining us on Patreon, links down below as well. However you choose to support us, as always, we thank you for it.